On our way to the airport. Time to the airport is about 30 minutes. 35. What's the time right now? 9:21. Okay. Just trying to adjust this. Let me show you a little trick here. It's too much sun glare. Set our cruise control. Adaptive cruise control. Let's see. Do you have the confidence? Yeah, just reduced on its own. 50. So we're gonna change lane. Check this one out. Ooh. Wow. Technology. Let's keep it at 68. Charging now. It's using electric. Hybrid. Even though the range is 0, but I think it does switch on battery. And the engine. It's quite interesting. Hybrid technology. me wearing one glove. Sometimes I use this one to operate, add the gadgets and everything, because this one doesn't have that fingerprint pad. Yeah, 68 is a cruising at 68. It's not bad. Not bad. Let's see how it's gonna adapt. Yeah, I thought it was gonna stay up on the emergency, not emergency, but the transition from decreasing the speed to 66 was smooth. Wasn't bad. The only issue is if I change lane to that one, it will actually go back to 68, and I'll end up overtaking those cars. We won't want that, would we? So I think we'll just maintain in the middle lane anyway. This one is free. There are no cars coming from that side overtaking us. So at the moment, I think we are all right. Change lane now. Yeah. Oh. We're resuming our cruise control. Adaptive cruise control. I think we need to slow down now a bit early for our arrival. So our pickup time is 10 to 10 or quarter to 10 or something like that. Quarter to 10 or 10 to 10. And the airport is like roughly maybe 5 minutes away now. 5 to 10. What do you think of the ride? Is it quiet? Do you like it? Do you like traveling at 68 miles per hour? 68, well, for me 68, 69, it's more comfortable. 60, well, it's alright. 60 is economical, but the thing is 60 is when you have time. Like if you're not in a rush and all that kind of stuff. or you left where maybe you can spare 30 minutes. When you arrive, I think that's when you can travel 60 for me personally, but 68, 70 more on the line, and you can always easily exceed. Even though the GPS you can actually do 72 roughly. That's a nice car, but I think 68 is a perfect balance. I'll say 65 economically, 60, but 68 is fine. I think we now need to change lane. This should be the airport lane. I'm not using a GPS really because I know the way to the airport, but at the moment I'm just maintaining the traffic flow. I'm just following the traffic flow. Terminal 2. It's all the same really, because if you were going to Terminal 1 you would have taken the right lane there, but because we just need to shave off a few minutes, obviously we cannot circle around.